All right, Seth, hate to wake you wait, but I know you don't mind waiting.
Plenty of time.
Hey, here's a story I found that says, survey says, fried foods can cause you to be fat.
No.
Yes. If you eat fried food, right there, you can gain more fat than anything else.
Lord help us.
Shocker.
Yeah.
They're only about 20 years behind us.
Yeah. Just
One
now
day they'll
figuring that
catch
out.
up. So,
We blew it out at
What are you talking
all
about
right,
there?
check this out. This time of year, everybody is joining a gym.
I thought they'd already quit by now.
Well, a lot of them have, but a lot of them right now it's just now getting warm, so they're going, oh my gosh, I've got to get in there and I've got to do something like quick. Here's what happens when people get in the gym, though. Number one, everybody thinks that you go to the gym and people are going to look at you funny and things like that.
They do me that all the
They're
time.
looking
I don't
at
have to be.
themselves.
Everybody looks at you funny. I mean, look at your hair.
They're looking at themselves.
Anyway, here's what's going on in the gym. Me personally, when I see the overweight person working out in the gym,
Good.
I've got amazing respect for you. When I see the guy who's really small and he's trying to put on some extra muscle,
Thank you.
I've got mad respect for you. When I see the older people that are just trying to stay in shape, I've got respect for y'all. The only person in the gym I don't have respect for is that guy who keeps leaving his weights around. I will slap you when I find but besides that, I mean, really, the people who are in the gym are the people who understand that in order for me to take care of my family, I have to be in shape. I need to be there for them. They're the people who are willing to go that extra mile to stay
How come I'm
healthy.
fat and lazy?
Now, when's the last time
What
you been
did you
to the gym?
say you were going to the gym?
Well, I did miss spinning this week.
So here's the deal, though. This is what happens when you get in the gym. One of two things happens to most people. Either you get in there and you go at it really hard and
Get sore.
for about a week, and then you get so sore that you don't ever want to go back.
Yep.
I don't want that to happen. Or you get in there and you don't see results because you really don't know what's going on and how to do this properly. If you'll come by Herbs and More, I will give you free workout plan because I don't want that to happen.
All right.
I really want you to be in there. I've got free workout plans, free diet plans. All I got to do is print them off and you can get them. If you want it to be specific to your goals, then let me know and we'll sit down and talk about that too. A couple things that everybody needs in the gym though is, number one, you're going to need some protein in general. If you're just getting started out, you're going to break muscle tissue down. Protein breaks down into amino acids that feed our muscle. Or you can just get straight aminos. Either way, you're going to need one of those if you don't want to feel like you're dying. Okay?
This is actually doable.
You're going to need some energy. Okay? We've got Dieters Delight pre-workouts. I mean, I can give you a little bit of energy, or I can have you climb the walls in the
Good,
gym.
you brought me some geek.
Yeah, I got you some geek there. I
Love
would
it.
love that stuff. So, you know, whatever your goals are, just come in and let us know, and I'll help you get there. I will do anything to keep people productive and happy and feeling good, because that's what we're about.
So you're kind of like a counselor.
Basically, yeah.
Think about it.
I can lead, guide, and direct. All I can't do is make you do it.
Yeah.
You know, that's someone, that seems
Here
to be
we
the
went
hardest
to the
part.
beach.
Yeah,
went
it
to the
is.
beach, and there were at least 2 days we knew Roy and Gwen went to work out. They were just trying to show off, but they went and worked out in the morning.
I didn't even walk by the gym.
Well, I don't
Well,
feel.
there you go.
I don't have energy. See, it's like energy supplements, okay? Energy supplements like Dieters Delight and Geek, those are the lighter fluid, okay? Movement
Kickstart.
is the lighter. You have to start, when you take an energy supplement, if you sit on the couch and go, well, it ain't working, you have to do something. Once you start, you can't stop. That's what the energy supplement's for. So, you know.
I need to be snorting that stuff then.
I thought you did. Okay, anyway, that's a whole different story. The Papa Rocca story right there. But,
So go ahead and get all that stuff at Herbs and More.
yeah, come by Herbs and More.
Get on the vibe.
Yeah, get 10% off if you mention, you know, Jamie and Gloria go in the
Anything
bathroom
about the
together.
show. Don't mention that.
Terry missed that story.
Yes, he did. That's okay.
But
You work out though, how much?
I work out about 6 days a week and sometimes twice a day.
Okay.
More power to you.
I'm working on it. I'm getting better all the time.
So you can get all that. You got anything a weightlifter wants, anything somebody trying to lose weight, anything anybody wants to stay healthy, y'all got it.
If you want to improve your overall well-being, if you want to improve your lifestyle, if you want to lose weight, gain weight,
You don't have to look like
that's
Seth.
what we're there for. No, hey, I'm going to take it to a whole different level. I will go as far as the Lord will allow me. and then I'm gonna try to go further. So, you know, but
That's
whatever your goals are,
motivation,
just come by, and I'd be more than happy to get you everything I possibly can to get you where you want to be.
All right.
You the man, Seth.
Section 8 time.
Yeah.
Herbs and more, don't
I need
forget
some
mention
housing there.
anything about
Yeah.
Cooper and Company. It's not housing, it's good music, and you can check them out.
Business
at the
don't
Hard
pick
Rock
up, I'll
this
probably live in
Saturday.
there.
That's right. All right, guys.
Get over and talk to Leslie. Leslie hasn't done our show since we were next door in the ZYP basement 11 years ago.
That's right. I had to leave my dream job as a music salesman. It was something that would pay the bills.
And these two guys with you are?
We got Lanny Williams over here. We've got Dave Martin here.
All right.
Both from Ardmore, so I'm surrounded by it.
From Ardmore.
Ardmore City.
You know, I got my hair cut up there once by a barber named Wales. He had to be like 100 when he cut my hair, and that was a Country Rover store in the 70s.
I don't see many barbers.
I also did a story up there on the skating rink when they shut the sides on it. You don't remember, you're too young for that.
Oh, I remember it.
You probably do.
I own the skating rink.
You did?
No.
You were there a lot.
Yes, I was.
All right, you're not playing ball.
I'm not, no.
Why not?
I was in the band in high school, so I may do the alumni band. Actually, I was a drummer. I wasn't in the band. I was in the drum line. So.
Oh, drumline. Y'all had one back then?
We did.
What year did you graduate?
2001.
You know, I shouldn't say that about graduate. Some people might not have made it. Huh? You know what? I went 13 years to the same school. Of course, me and my dad's in the same grade, 8th grade. He could drive. All right, let's go out with Section 8 here on this Wednesday morning. Thank y'all for coming up, Leslie. It's great to see y'all in here once a week.
Say one more thing
Yeah, go ahead.
about the tickets. If you're even thinking about going to this game, don't buy the tickets at the gate. See somebody, if you want to
Before that.
support Elkmont School, buy from Elkmont. If you want to support Ardmore, buy from someone from Ardmore. I can't place enough emphasis on that.
All right, boys. Section 8 this morning.
Yeah, ready?
We never spoke a word or ever thought she had I heard from across the road. If we were standing face to face, I couldn't find the words to say. Give me one more move. I don't even